Alright, ArtSparks friends, it's Mr. Egan with a quick music minute, and today I'm going to talk about our favorite number, the number 8. And I use 8 notes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, to make all the fun music for our classes. And now I use those 8 notes to make melodies. And then I use the notes by skipping over each note to get what's called a chord. And then I use those chords with the melody to make fun songs. And if you notice, the first note and the last note are the same. And the skips help create what's called harmony. And this can be smooth or it can be dissonant and creepy. And that dissonance also helps us appreciate the harmony. So if you got a keyboard and you want to mess around, you can just take some skips along or some steps to your home. Enjoy!